Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone serious about emergency preparedness, the JUSAID Tourniquet 2-pack. This is the ultimate tool for combat, tactical first aid, and medical emergencies. Let's explore why this tourniquet stands out as the fastest, safest, and most effective option on the market. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality. The JUSAID Tourniquet is made with high-quality materials designed to withstand extreme pressure and harsh conditions. It's perfect for both upper and lower limbs, effectively blocking blood flow in case of severe injuries. What really sets it apart is its single-handed application capability. Imagine you're in an emergency and you're the only one who can act. This feature allows you to apply the tourniquet quickly and efficiently without any assistance. The intuitive design means that even under stress, you can stop bleeding swiftly and effectively.